Australia's property market is shifting. Home values are rising, rents are climbing, and buyer confidence is making a comeback. But does that mean now is the right time to invest? Before you make any decisions, you need to understand what's really happening in the market. What's driving these trends? Where are the best opportunities? And most importantly, how can you take advantage of this market before it's too late? In this video, we'll break down the latest Australian housing market update and what it means for investors like you. After a short downturn, home values are rising again. According to recent data, Australia's National Home Value Index increased by 0.3% in February 2025, ending a 3-month dip. The growth wasn't just in one place. Nearly every capital city saw an increase in property values, with values rising at an average of 0.35%. This shift suggests that Australia's property market is stabilising, but investors need to be smart about where and how they buy. What's driving this growth? Here are 3 key factors. Tighter supply and lower listings. New property listings across major cities are down 3.9% compared to last year. When supply is low, demand pushes prices up. Stronger buyer confidence. Auction clearance rates are back to their long-term averages, meaning more buyers are actively competing for properties. Rental market strength. With rents rising 0.6% in February alone, investors are seeing higher yields and stronger returns on rental properties. All of this signals that now could be the right time to enter the market before prices climb further. One of the biggest concerns for property investors is interest rates. So, where are they heading? Financial markets predict that Australia's cash rate will settle around 3.55% by the end of 2025, with at least 2 rate cuts expected this year. This is a crucial turning point. Lower rates mean increased borrowing power, allowing investors to secure better loan deals and higher property values over time. But waiting too long for more cuts could mean missing out on current opportunities before prices rise further. Not all markets are performing the same. If you're looking to invest, here's where to focus. Regional Australia. Growth in regional markets has outpaced capital cities, with home values rising 0.4% in February and 1% over the past quarter. High rent areas. With rental prices climbing, suburbs with low vacancy rates and high rental demand are offering great returns for investors. Finding the right location is key, but understanding which properties will perform best requires expert analysis and strategy. The housing market is shifting, and smart investors act before the masses. Here's what we know. Prices are rising again. Investing now could secure properties before values climb higher. Interest rates are expected to drop, meaning more borrowing power in the near future. Rental demand remains strong, ensuring steady income for property investors. But here's the challenge. Not all investments are created equal. Buying the wrong property in the wrong location could cost you thousands in lost returns. That's why working with property investment experts is so important. And that's exactly where we come in. At PWF Australia, we specialise in helping investors find high-growth opportunities, structure the best deals, and build long-term wealth through property. Want to know the best investment locations for 2025? Book a free strategy session today, and let's create a plan that works for you. Like this video? Subscribe for more expert property insights, market updates, and investment strategies.